with the greasy black peel. You're about you got termites in your smile. You have all to the sweetness of a seasoned crocodile.
Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I decided to do this green eye look inspired by the Grinch. For those who know me and they know me personally, they know that I love the Grinch. That's like my favorite character ever since little. So yeah, so I wanted to recreate this look for you guys, something a little more fun instead of doing like so many goals for the holidays. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave me comments down below on what to do, last minute looks for Christmas. Can you guys believe the year's almost over? It's crazy how fast this year has gone by, and surreal, like all the things that we all been through. So I hope that you guys enjoy this look. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So before we start this video, I know you guys can see my ring light through my glasses, but it's what it is. We're just gonna have a little snack. Now we're gonna start, because you know, I was a little hungry, a little hangry. Some water. Yeah, I think I'm ready. Let's do this. So the first thing I'm gonna start with today is my Too Faced Hangover Face Primer. Sorry for the background noise. Hello. Testing 1 2 1 2 testing. So again, I started with my Too Faced Hangover Primer. Really hydrating for the skin, especially during this winter time, which I love. And of course, we're gonna eat again. I'm just eating it my life away today because I'm just hangry. So then I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the number 300C. I think C stands for cool, if I'm not bugging out. I think it's for cool because they have like the cool warms. Okay, let me just keep going. So, and then I'm using my Real Technique beauty blender and the orange. The orange one I love. My fave beauty blender lately. I was using the one from e.l.f., but I feel like sometimes they would like die on me, which I would like, you will see it in my makeup. So I was like, oh no honey, it's time to change it. So now I'm doing my brows. I barely do my brows on camera, guys. Barely. But you know, there's always a first. I'm using my Morphe brow powder, and one of the colors is like the darkest brown that they have there. So that's the one that I usually use. And then I'm using my Benefit Precise my brow in the number 4.75. I've been loving this specific pencil lately for my brows, and then I go back and use the powder in the front. And then we're gonna start with the eyes. So I'm using the Profusion's Velvet Matte Palette again. I've been obsessed with this palette, and I'm using the color Treat, which is more like a neutral brown for a transition color, which I really love. I'd use this color every day. Treat, or I use Keeper or Dust, because those colors are the most that they have that more neutral earth tone. And today we're doing something fun. So I'm using a palette that I got from Morphe a few months back. It was one of their prize palette, and I'm using the color Nature, which is this lime green. But when I put it on, it looks more of an olive color on. And I wanted to do this color just so I could transition into a smoky eye. And the brush that I'm using is by Morphe, and it's in the style, if I can find the brush, that would be great. Oh, found it. And R40. And then I'm using my P.Louise base and making that cut crease, you know, cutting people out here. Let's get into it. Yeah, honey, keep cutting it, keep cutting it. You're doing great, honey. You're doing great, honey. Chris Brown's voice. So after that, I'm gonna actually, I've been doing this trick for a few months now, which I love to make things stand out more. So I use the same glue that I use for my lashes. The same glue, just saying, to put it on my lid to make things stand out. And then I'm going with the same color that I use again on my crease to detail the cut crease. And then we're going back to the lid, and I'm using again, like I said, the glue that I use to actually make things pop more, because that's what we're going for. We're making things pop for holiday. And I'm using, this is actually one of the Huda Beauty mini palettes, and this one is Emerald Obsession. It doesn't have, does it have the name of the shadows? I don't think it does. It's just like this shimmer olive color, which is really beautiful for the holidays. And then I'm using my Profusion's Formula palette, and I'm using the color Energy, which is a black, and then I'm going back to use the Nature palette, all that good stuff. And then I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Lime Medium Sand, and just blend, 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 press, 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 to make everything look sharp. So after I'm done putting concealer underneath my eyes, I'm gonna set everything. I've been using this setting powder to set my under eyes, to set my whole face, and it's the Pretty Vulgar, the powder room. It's called 147 Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. So this has been working for me great lately, and I've been loving it. And then I'm using this eye pencil by, where is this brand from? Where is the brand? It's a 24-hour eye define. It's LAL10 Pastel Lime Green. Where is the brand? Oh, it's by Ruby Kisses. Took me long enough. But yeah, I've been using that one. And then I'm going back with the Morphe palette that I was using. The Prime Morphe palette, I should say. And the color Thrive. It's more of like a lime green, which is beautiful. And then I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to, you know, warm everything up so we don't look extra pale. Then after that, I'm using my Amrezy highlighter. Amrezy highlighter, I should say. And yeah, just making things pop, stand out, more glam, you know the vibes. And after that, we are going to use, do highlight in our inner corner. So I decided to use this beautiful color from the Morphe palette. It's called Liberation. It's like, it has like different colors. So it has like pinky and green. So it reflects a little bit of everything, which is beautiful. And then I'm using my mascara from Chanel. This mascara was given to me, and ever since this person gave it to me, which was my friend D, I've been obsessed with. I've been using this mascara every day. Like, no joke, every day. It's amazing. You guys should definitely try it. I know it's a little expensive, but it's totally worth it to have it. So then after that, we are going to our lips. So I'm starting with my KKW lip liner in Nude 3. So what I do is I overline them just a little bit, and then I use my finger to kind of just smudge everything a little bit so it's not too much, but it kind of like blends with my lips a little bit, so it's not like so like dark. So I rub it in to my lips, and then I go and use my Morphe liquid lipstick in True Story, which is a chocolatey, it's like a light chocolatey color. And then I'm using my Bare Minerals, which I think they just continue, to do the rest of the look. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
one. You really are a hero.